guys, good morning. It is another beautiful day in Bali, Indonesia. We are checking in for breakfast. Hello ma'am. 1120.
1120.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Right, so it is a beautiful day. Weather's seemingly perfect. It's a little cloudy. And today we are going on that big tour of the volcano and this and that and Ubud village. And yes, the cat shit coffee. I'm gonna have some breakfast. I don't think I have place because this entire place over here looks completely full.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you will never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
So I just got to know that the gentleman that I just showed you in the last clip is actually the owner of this entire place. And it is really hard to believe how down to earth people are over here. The guy is wearing a simple t-shirt, some shorts, slippers. I mean, unbelievable for such an owner he's a huge distributor apparently. He exports all over the world the jewelry. I mean, just look at him. I mean, these guys are so humble. It's really nice. And his motto is he sits on the ground and drinks coffee with his employees. His motto is, I don't want to scare my employees. I want them to cooperate with me. So, entrepreneurs, something to learn, I guess. Okay guys, so that was a little tour of a factory that produces silverware. You can see it was all locally done. And, the footage before this was of a hand loom factory where I took a pretty neat time lapse of the guy making a t-shirt for one of our guests. Pretty intriguing. As you can see over here, you can see the dedication of these guys working. They were really serious about stuff. I mean, I was literally over their shoulders and they didn't look back. Anyways, now we are going to be going to the Ubud market. Okay guys, so this is a small little palace. It apparently still belongs to the royal family and they still stay over here. As you can see, we don't really have access to many of the places because of course it's like their personal home and we can't really invade their personal home. There's a lot of construction going on, so I'm assuming they're doing some redevelopment. In case you don't know already, this area is called Ubud. Pretty happening place in Bali and it's very famous for its market. So we're going to go to the market right now and we're going to see Ubud market.
Develop your gifts. I grant you, you will never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
Okay guys, so that was pretty much of the Ubud market. I don't know, there might be other lanes I haven't explored yet, but you kind of get a feel to how it is. And the weather is very humid. I don't know if you can see on my face, I'm sweating like a pig. We are now going to go to a coffee plantation where I am going to try the cat shit coffee. So let's go.